you should be able to play from the beginning up to bar 16, hands together of the marionettes. Fine if you're needing to pause a tiny bit between sections to find the new hand positions, but you should be able to find them. Make sure you can do everything before you move on to this next bit. Right, at bar 17 now, so that's the third bar of the third line, we've got P superto, which means suddenly quiet. So the last bit was loud, and this is suddenly quiet. Notice in the right hand you have 8 VA and the dotted line running all the way, almost, well, right to the end of the piece in fact. Everything in the right hand now is going to be an octave higher than written. So it says C, this one here, because that's middle C down there, okay? But it's going to be C up here, because it's got the dotted line and the 8 VA above it. So this is what your right hand is doing. You're going from a C up to an A, so this is a sixth. So your little finger will naturally fall on the G, but you need to get it to fall on the A. So you go C, up to A, down, down, and then the next note is C sharp with this finger, and then going to E, and you do 4 of those. Okay, I'll show you again. So the first bit is spiky, and then this is quavers and smooth. Okay, I'll show you again. So you don't really need to stretch down to the C sharp because it's all spiky, just move and then get yourself into a nice thing where you can do those two notes. So you go bum, 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 do 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 do. Now this time, quiet, then loud. And then you repeat it. And then, now, it's, confusingly, it says D flat now on bar 23. That's the same as C sharp. So don't worry about why, just go with it. But it's going to go to F. So the first one was C sharp to E. This is now D flat to F. Can you see the difference? So you got... Now, and on the end of it this time, you stop there. Okay, so first one, C sharp to E. And again, D flat to F. Stop. Okay. C sharp to E. D flat to F. Okay. So you might want to pause the video, just have a few goes of that, or if you're feeling happy with that, let's look at how we're going to do this hands together. So the left hand, to begin with, will be playing the same notes an octave lower. So you've got C there, C there. So just try it hands together. So you go C, up to A, then a G, then an F. Okay, so it's... Okay. Now the left hand, it's really complicated. Can you see that chord there? It's an A, but it actually is just an A major chord. So move down to A. Now, that's A minor, okay? So A major's got the C sharp. And in fact, the ambulance going past, whatever we want to call it, there, is the 2 top notes from the chord, yeah? That helps. So you got this. So you do that. Then, now, right hand, just a little move onto there. Left hand, a slightly bigger move. And you're going to go and hold on the last one. Yeah? 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'll show you again. So quiet, spiky, loud. Now it goes straight on, but I'll pause. Then we go around again. Now the right hand was going to do. Now those 2 notes there, you want those here, and an A flat at the bottom. A flat, D flat, E flat. So can you see 2 of those notes are the same with an A flat there, and this one goes. Okay, so I'll go over all that again. A major chord. Quiet again. Now, let's take our time. So, D flat to F, A flat, D flat, F. Okay, one more. Tiptoes, loud. Now it'll take a bit to get used to moving between the positions, so you do it as slowly as you need to. So lots of work on that. Make sure you can play from the beginning, even if you're having to pause between the hand changes, all the way up to where we've got to now, which is bar 21, 22, 23, 24. We're going to do, don't move on to the next bit, which is 25 to the end, until you've got everything up to that point sorted.